Giggles and grapes.
Unlocking alphabets with animals. Let's go. This is alphabet A. Alpaca. This is alphabet B. Bear. This is alphabet C. Cat. This is alphabet D. Dog. This is alphabet E. Elephant. This is alphabet F. Flamingo. This is alphabet G. Giraffe. This is alphabet H. Hippopotamus. This is alphabet I. Iguana. This is alphabet J. Jaguar. This is alphabet K. Koala. This is alphabet L. Lion. This is alphabet M. Mouse. This is alphabet N. Newt. This is alphabet O. Owl. This is alphabet P. Panda. This is alphabet Q. Quail. This is alphabet R. Rhinoceros. This is alphabet S. Sheep. This is alphabet T. Turtle. This is alphabet U. Unicorn. This is alphabet V. Vulture. This is alphabet W. Whale. This is alphabet X. X-ray fish. This is alphabet Y. Yak. This is alphabet Z. Zebra. This video is in collaboration with Kokomo and Candyland Bubble Pop.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.